White, the color of space, silence, and beginning. In a small room, it's not just a color, it's a promise. Every stroke of soft white expands the walls outward, turning limitation into light. It's the kind of brightness that doesn't shout, but breathes. Gray whispers balance. A cool gray tone carries sophistication and peace, wrapping the room in quiet confidence. Shadows become gentler, corners fade away, and suddenly the room feels infinite. There's something about the color of the sky, it reminds us of freedom. In a small room, a soft sky blue dissolves boundaries, blurring the line between wall and horizon. It's as if you're sitting inside a breath of fresh air. Taupe, a whisper between beige and gray. It softens the light and lends depth without weight. In its presence, a small room feels like a calm conversation with the morning sun. Ivory glows like the first light of dawn. It welcomes warmth while maintaining openness. Under its gentle tone, the room doesn't just appear larger, it feels more alive. Pale green is the color of calm revival. It draws from nature's quiet rhythm. In a small room, it opens windows in the mind, inviting peace, clarity, and the illusion of boundless air. A hint of blush, soft as memory, warm as touch. It reflects light with tenderness, lending depth without confinement. Suddenly, the walls seem to blush with life. Beige, the color of serenity. It holds the warmth of sand, the stillness of dusk. Against its quiet tones, everything breathes. The room unfolds, soft and endless. True space is found in contrast. Off-white softens the edges, while black